Some exciting news, 2027 models are in. Let's check out some of the new features on the Sylvan X1 ULZ. Come aboard. The boat is equipped with the matte black stern rail enclosure with entrances on either side. However, my favorite feature has to be this massive sun pad. Let's check out some of the different positions that it can be arranged in. First, the sun pad. Next, these two back panels can be set up for forward-facing loungers. When you lift this piece here, you can have an aft-facing lounger or a forward-facing bench seat. See, this X1 has an incredible amount of seating. One thing I love with the 2027 models is the accents and the diamond stitching in the seating. Really adds a good flair. Next, at our helm, it is upgraded, a very sleek design. The gauge setup is a little different, but it really, brings everything together. Your traditional bench seating up front, you'll see that diamond stitching and accents again as well. A performance shield for both performance and protection on the underside of the deck. And let's not forget, the Mirage X Series comes standard as a tri-tune.